Hey everyone, today we have a Catherine Lent design package here. So I'm going to share with you. It says open carefully. The box is super colorful and beautiful. Now I know Catherine doesn't guarantee that every box will be colorful and beautiful, but mine was. So we are opening this package and it says, there's a note that says, Lily, hello. Thanks so much for the order. Hope you have a blast with Henna, and thanks for the kind word. I'm here if you need support. Love, Catherine. Oh my gosh, I'm like loving this note. This was like jaw-dropping. I was so stoked to get this. There's a note on the back that says, all Henna love to Lily. Love, Catherine. You guys, I'm gonna keep this in my car as a reminder of the love and that the Henna community, I just love the Henna community. Okay. She also added these wonderful little, I don't know if they're stickers, little cutouts. How'd she know I was Sparrow Henna? The feather, I use the feather quite a bit with Sparrow Henna. She put some flowers in here. Very, very thoughtful gift. Very cute. Alright, so we'll put those aside. And if you don't know, Catherine Lent is like, oh my gosh, she is so amazing with henna. Her work is just drool worthy. So she's very, very skilled. So I love the packaging. It was packaged very carefully with love, for sure. It has some info on the front of the package. 150 designs this size with this particular henna kit. Alright, so we do need a pair of scissors to open it. It has this really cute little keychain that, yeah, you guys, it's already on my keys. Sure is. Anything from Miss Catherine I'm going to hold dear to my heart. So it has on the back here a kit, a list that, what the kit contains. And all you really need is water, tape, time, and your creative energy, she says here on the back. Alright, so we'll cut this little star to have our keychain. And we'll go ahead and cut the top of the ziplocky part. Yes, that is a word. Ziplocky. You guys, I'm so stoked. When I saw it was delivered on my phone, I like lost my mind. You guys, this does not smell the vision, but it smells so good. Even my mailbox, like where the package was, smelled amazing. So you're welcome, mailman. All right, so we'll take out the henna kit contents. Oh, I love it. There's the henna. There's the henna. More stuff and more stuff. I love this deluxe henna kit, you guys. And then she has other kits too that you could buy on her Etsy shop. Alright, so this is the henna and sugar blend. Henna is so beautiful. I just love the way it looks. She packaged it in this very heavy duty glass jar, which I love. It's already sitting in the back of my fridge because it freezes everything. So make sure you freeze your henna powder. So this is like a frosting bag. She does include it. And then also a pantyhose. There you go. So this is how you'll strain your henna once it's already wet and, completed that time. So I like to cut mine in half and just tie the other end. That way you have like another pantyhose. Alright. Waste not, want not. Alright. It also comes with Mefix tape. If you're not familiar, get familiar. So I love this Mefix tape. I do put it on my design on myself once the henna has dried. That way I could keep it overnight and it's like super dark in the morning. The kit also comes with 10 of these cellophane cones with the pins in them. So these are super cute. I'm so gonna use them. Look at the sugar skulls, you guys. Now I'm sure she can't guarantee like what kinds of designs, cupcakes, that you get with these, but I'm sure it'll be an assortment. Alright, let's put these beauties to the side. So yeah, we have 10. Let's see here. Alright, so it also comes with this lavender ketchup blend is what it looks like. I'm super glad she had it in a little baggie, you know, because it is liquid, so definitely want that protected. It also comes with these Q-tips, and this thing, it's usually for nails, this little wooden thing, but you could like scrape up your henna when you make a mistake. The Q-tips are good for that, and paper straws are also good for that if you make a mistake. Oh, right. So it does come with this laminated practice sheet. I love this sheet. So you can actually do the henna directly on here, let it dry, then take like a gift card and like scrape the dry henna off and then reuse the card. So I love this side as well. It has all the basics that you need to learn. You'll have to do these like many times till you get it down. Alright, then she also includes a binder clip. You'll use this on your henna cone too, like once you use it and it like is kind of loose, you'll put the binder clip to make it tighter again. She also has alcohol pads here, and black tea is what she uses instead of lemon juice. So I wanted to try that method. Then she's got this card here of all the, you know, the potential designs and stuff that you could definitely create over time. Then it has a card here with the time lapse, you know, of how your henna is going to stay and like what to expect basically. So, you know, it definitely lets you know the stages of what to expect with your henna. So it also, this is all the mixing instructions about your henna, how to care for it, make sure you put it in the freezer, and then tips, of course. And the most important one is practice. If you're just starting your henna journey, you want to practice at least once a day, like, you know, definitely. Like, I practiced every day for 8 months, and then I felt like I was good enough to do like basics as a professional. So, and then over time you get so much better. So, and now I love henna. I cannot even fathom my life without it. So, so if you're just starting out, this is a great henna kit to start out with. Yes, it's a little bit of an investment, but you're supporting, you know, other artists and learning in the process. So I love this. Oh my gosh, I cherish it so much. And thank you so much, Miss Catherine. If you ever see this video, I adore your work. I adore your creativity, your talent, and I feel so special to, you know, have this kit available to me, that way that I can, you know, try your black tea method, definitely. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Thank you, Miss Catherine Lent Design. Look for her on Etsy, and I'll try to post a link attached to this video. Thanks, guys.